far so good. We're 2 for 2. Hopefully the other two will hold air. Watch, it'll be that one up there, the hardest one to get to that won't air up probably. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Some of you guys are going to be pleased to find out that we are back on the Datsun build. This is a 1970 Datsun little pickup. We are going to graft this body onto the hard body pickup, a 1995 hard body pickup. For those of you that are just now new to the channel, or maybe you haven't been following along with the build, that is the plan. There she goes.
Oh, I can see it raising white. Here it comes.
I'm really surprised this thing aired up. That's awesome. Definitely got a lot of junk gonna need to clean out of here. Good Lord. We've got our work cut out. extra set of headlight bezels. Check it out, we got 4 of them. That's awesome. And look, we got an extra grill too. This one's perfect. I don't see anything wrong with it. The one that's on, it's got some bars. The one that's on, it's got some bars missing out of it, so that'll be nice to have a brand new one. We got all these if we need them for anything, which doesn't look like we need any, but hey, it's cool, we got extras. I don't know what all this is. I'm not sure, we'll have to dig all this out. Got some old horns. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this seat out of here, get all this nice and clean before we ever pull this into the shop. This thing is disgusting and I don't want it in there like that. We got ourselves a custom seat bracket right there, it looks like. Old 2x4. As you can see, this thing is gross. I mean, beyond gross. So we got some serious cleaning to do. All right, let's see what we got here. This is the reason why we are doing this the way that we're doing, is because as you can see here, we do have a little bit of rust here in the floorboard. Somebody's done some god-awful patchwork there. Holes over there in the floor, but that's okay, because if you remember, the guys that are following along with this build, you know that this isn't the floor that we're going to use. We're actually going to use this floor right here. This floor has no rust whatsoever. We're going to graft that cab onto this cab and firewall section, so everything that we need off of this truck is in good shape. The stuff that's in bad shape with the holes is all getting thrown away, so this is fine so far. So hey everybody, I think that's going to do it for this one. Stay tuned on the next video. We will be taking the body off of this frame and getting it ready to graft onto the hard body frame. So stay tuned for that. Should be pretty interesting. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Share the video with your friends, that would be cool. And don't forget my Instagram. We will leave a link in the description as always. Thanks for watching.